you join me just out in the countryside, just on the corner from where I live. Do a bit of filming. I haven't got my mics on, so the sound might not be very good. I'll give it a try anyway. But yeah, lovely part, just on the corner of my doorstep. Oop, keep up, my new gimbal. There's the old girl just there. So I'm just doing a bit of filming, just sort of trying out my new DJI gimbal. So I've just taken a bit of film and what have you. But yeah, it's really really nice. We've had one dry day. I think we've all experienced a bit of heavy rain in the last couple of days. So I'm trying to wait for the train to come past so I can get a bit of film in. So I'm hopefully the train will come shortly and it won't be too long. So yeah, but I haven't got my mics on, so I know what the sound is going to be like. So, but we've got the train track just there. Come over the bridge. Got some old buildings there. Got the old train track. Don't like that movement then on that gimbal. You've got a big lens on you, a big wide angle lens. Takes a bit of time to balance it on this DJI gimbal. Right, let's see what's any trains are going to be coming in this way. So you've got the Land Rover parked just there.